Well, now to the coronavirus in Maryland. The state recorded less than 470 new cases in the last 24 hours, and that is the lowest single-day total since October. The number of people hospitalized has also dropped back below 900. Well, Governor Hogan also announced that after this week's Johnson & Johnson vaccine shipment, Maryland would not get any more until March 18th. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live at the Baltimore Convention Center mass vaccination site with more on Hogan's new comments. Mike.
Denise, the governor said the White House did not give a reason why there would be a halt to Johnson & Johnson vaccine shipments, but we do know that supply has been an issue as the company ramps up. The good news, this is only for the short term. A blow to Maryland's vaccination efforts. The state will not get any more doses of the new Baltimore-made Johnson & Johnson vaccine from the federal government for at least the next 2 weeks, although the state will get slightly more Pfizer and Moderna.
The federal government shipped the entire inventory that it has on hand. And this morning on the call with White House officials, they informed us that no Johnson & Johnson vaccine at all will be shipped next week or the week after that. They're promising that by the 18th, we will be getting another shipment.
Maryland will receive the roughly 50,000 J&J doses it was promised for this week.
Providers will begin to receive their shipments of Johnson & Johnson as early as today.
Is that feasible? Governor Hogan also defended his controversial response to my question last week that Baltimore was getting more vaccines than the city was entitled to.
But look, I know there are concerns about the way it was misinterpreted. We've been very focused on equity.
The governor has now agreed to prioritize appointments at the Baltimore Convention Center for underserved Baltimore zip codes. Still, some lawmakers say the comments caused damage.
Words really matter, and the fact that our governor would engage in such language that is frankly tone deaf is flat out incorrect and is divisive.
Hogan also appointed Dr. Robert Redfield, the former head of the CDC under President Trump, as Maryland's new senior advisor to public health, and defended that too.
I'm not going to sit here and defend everything that the president said or did, or relitigate the past, and I'm not sure Dr. Redfield wants to do that either.
Now, Dr. Redfield did speak at the news conference, and he assured reporters that he puts science first. And another note on the falling new infections in Maryland, testing is also down in the state by some 30%. Live at the Baltimore Convention Center, Mike Helgren, WJZ.
Mike, thank you. With Johnson & Johnson ramping up production of its vaccine, another pharmaceutical giant is helping with manufacturing. Drug maker Merck will partner with J&J to drastically scale up production of the vaccine. Merck is expected to dedicate 2 of its facilities to the effort. Johnson & Johnson says it is on track to ship 100 million doses by the end of June. And the Walters Art Museum will reopen on March 17th. And just in time, there is a slate of new exhibitions for visitors to enjoy. Masks are required along with social distancing. In addition, the museum is cleaned several times a day, and a limited number of visitors will be allowed in at one time.